No, don't go in. It's all icky in there. No, no, no. Stay out with the chickens. Stay out with the chickens. Stay with the chickens. Stay by the chickens. We don't want to go inside because which chicken do you like? Which one do you like? Which chicken do you like? Show me which chicken is a good chicken. Look at that pretty one. Look at that pretty one. Go touch the pretty one. Which one do you think is the pretty chicken?
The water.
The chickens were doing it and he was doing it. Dump the water on the chicken.
That's Arthur. Arthur.
Do it again, Nico. Do it again.
Nico, pet the chickens, not their water.
Pet the chickens. Don't drink their water because they're thirsty. They have to drink their water. Pet the chicken. Go ahead, pet it. Pet the pretty one. Pretty one.
That's Dumbledore, Luna, and Arthur.
Can you pet a chicken? Show me how do you touch the chicken? How do you pet the chicken? How do you pet the chicken? Can you pet the chicken for me? Pet it. Nice. Like, nice. How does the chicken go?